Hello. Hi friends, it's Jazz, and we're doing another unboxing. I'm a shopaholic, and I can't help it that all I want to do is spend money. So much like my last Lunarly unboxing, if you haven't seen it yet, go give it a check. My box came very damaged. He's broken, it looks like. The box smells like it's been wet. Oh, it's like moist inside. I'm so confused, there's like more inside. Just kidding. It's just paper. I really want to do my hair this color. What do you think? Neat. And then she did include like a little baggie of mini samples. These are so cute. Hold on, I'm gonna try and get a little closer to the camera because right now it's very far. Okay, so I only know a few of these, but it looks like I've got some amethyst, some rose quartz, maybe a citrine, tiger's eye, and then clear quartz. Oh my god, hematite? I don't remember. I don't know. Help me. Also, I can't. I'm gonna drop them, but... Oh no! The hematite, I think. Okay, on to the actual product though. So look how well this is wrapped. It's amazing. It's so beautiful! Oh. Okay, this is amazing, and I'm gonna cry. Do you see this? There's like a little rainbow too, right on the front. Do you see it? It's so cute. So this is a pink amethyst, and they're fairly rare from what I know. So when I saw somebody selling this little mushroom, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. I need it. I have it. Let me see if I can get it to stand up. Probably not. I don't think it does. I thought it was self-standing, but I don't think it is because... I don't know. Alrighty guys, so that was it for my super rare crystal unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Also subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. Click it, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll put it somewhere around here. And let's get rid of this guy so we can put actual things here. Yeah, have a wonderful day, a fabulous weekend, and an amazing life, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.